Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving deep into Karachi. No, not the stock exchange, though that's a wild ride too. We're talking about Karachi, the beating heart of Pakistan. This city is a whirlwind of activity, a fusion of cultures, and a testament to resilience. But beneath the hustle and bustle lies a different side of Karachi, one that often gets overshadowed: its natural beauty. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a journey through the hidden gems of this megacity. From pristine beaches to lush green spaces, Karachi might just surprise you. We'll uncover the secret lives of its diverse ecosystems, explore its unique climate, and delve into the cultural tapestry that makes Karachi so special. This isn't just about pretty pictures, it's about understanding how a city bursting at the seams with over 20 million people coexists with nature. So, get ready to see Karachi through a new lens, one that reveals the breathtaking landscapes and the ongoing efforts to preserve them. This is Karachi, raw, real, and more beautiful than you ever imagined. Alright, let's kick things off with what Karachi is known for: its stunning coastline. This city, often bustling with life and energy, offers a serene escape through its beautiful beaches. We're talking miles of sandy beaches, each with its own distinct vibe. From the lively shores to the tranquil stretches, Karachi's beaches cater to every kind of beachgoer. First up, we have Clifton Beach, the OG beach of Karachi. Known for its accessibility and vibrant atmosphere, it's a favorite among locals and tourists alike. This place is a whole mood. Camel rides, food stalls hawking everything from spicy chaat to freshly cut mangoes, and families enjoying the cool sea breeze. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. It's chaotic, it's lively, it's quintessentially Karachi. The energy here is palpable, making it a must-visit spot for anyone wanting to experience the city's true essence. But if you're looking for something a little more laid-back, head further down the coast to Hawke's Bay Beach. This beach offers a more relaxed vibe, perfect for those who want to unwind. This stretch of golden sand is perfect for escaping the city noise and soaking up some sun. It's a great spot for picnics, beach games, or simply lounging with a good book. And for those who want to get away from it all, there's Sandspit Beach, a haven for migratory birds, and a reminder that nature still thrives on the edges of this megacity. It's a paradise for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Karachi's coastline isn't just about sandy beaches, it's also home to some unique natural wonders. Nestled along the coast, you'll find mangrove forests. These incredible ecosystems act like natural barriers, protecting Karachi from erosion and storms. They are vital to the health of the coastal environment. Not only that, but they're also home to a whole underwater world teeming with marine life. These mangroves are a sanctuary for various species, creating a rich biodiversity. We're talking fish, crabs, shrimp, you name it. The mangroves support a complex web of life, making them an essential part of Karachi's natural heritage. Let's talk weather, because Karachi doesn't do things by halves. This city is known for its extreme weather conditions, making it a fascinating place to discuss. We're talking about a city that experiences scorching summers, where the sun blazes down with relentless intensity, where temperatures can soar above 40 degrees Celsius. Imagine walking outside and feeling like you're stepping into an oven. That's right, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a heat that can be overwhelming, even for the locals. It's enough to make you sweat just thinking about it. People seek shade wherever they can find it, and air-conditioned spaces become sanctuaries. But hey, there's a reason they call it a hot desert climate. The dry, arid conditions are a hallmark of this region. But hold on, before you start picturing a desolate wasteland, remember, Karachi is a coastal city. It's a unique blend of desert and sea. Remember, Karachi is a coastal city, and that means one thing: the sea breeze. This natural phenomenon is a game changer, and that means one thing: the sea breeze. This refreshing wind sweeps in from the Arabian Sea, providing a much-needed respite from the daytime heat. This magical wind sweeps in during the evenings, bringing with it some much-needed relief from the heat. It's a time when the city comes alive, and people head outdoors to enjoy the cooler temperatures, bringing with it some much-needed relief from the heat. It's like nature's own air conditioner, making evenings in Karachi truly special. It's like nature's own air conditioner. The cool breeze is a welcome change, and it makes the evenings perfect for a stroll along the beach or a visit to one of the city's many outdoor cafes. Now, winters in Karachi are a different story altogether. The temperatures drop to a mild and pleasant range, making it an ideal time to explore the city. Think mild, pleasant temperatures, perfect for exploring the city without breaking a sweat. It's a stark contrast to the scorching summers, and a time when both locals and tourists can enjoy the outdoors comfortably. So if you're planning a trip, keep the seasons in mind. Each season offers a different experience, and knowing what to expect can help you make the most of your visit. Of course, no talk about Karachi's climate would be complete without mentioning the monsoon season. This is when the city undergoes a dramatic transformation. From July to September, the city comes alive with the sound of rain. The monsoon showers bring a refreshing change, and the cityscape is washed clean. It's a welcome change from the dry heat, and the city transforms as streets turn into rivers. The rain brings a sense of renewal and rejuvenation, and the city transforms as streets turn into rivers. It's a sight to behold, and the sound of rain is a soothing backdrop to the bustling city life, and the air is thick with the scent of wet earth. This earthy aroma is a signature of the monsoon season, adding to the sensory experience of Karachi's diverse climate. Now, you might be thinking, hold on, a concrete jungle like Karachi with green spaces? You're pulling my leg, right? But that's the thing about Karachi, it's full of surprises. Tucked away between the bustling streets and towering buildings are pockets of green that offer a much-needed escape from the urban chaos. Let's start with the Karachi Zoo. Sure, it's had its fair share of controversies, but it's still home to a diverse range of animals and a popular spot for families to spend the day. The zoo is not just about animals, it's a place where children can learn about wildlife and conservation. Despite the challenges, the zoo continues to be a beloved destination for many. Moving on, there's Bagad Jinnah, a sprawling park with lush lawns, fragrant flower gardens, and even a library. It's the perfect place to unwind with a good book, or just soak up some peace and quiet. The park also hosts various cultural events and activities, making it a vibrant community hub. For those who want to get their heart rates up, there's Hill Park. This park, as the name suggests, is located on a hill, offering panoramic views of the city. It's a popular spot for jogging, hiking, and even just taking a leisurely stroll. The park's elevated location provides a refreshing breeze and a sense of tranquility that's hard to find in the city. And if you're willing to venture a little outside the city limits, you'll be rewarded with the Quaid-e-Azam National Park. This vast natural reserve is a different world altogether, with rugged mountains, canyons, and a surprising amount of wildlife. We're talking leopards, wild goats, and a birdwatcher's paradise. The park offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature and experience the raw beauty of the landscape. So whether you're a nature enthusiast, a fitness buff, or just someone looking for a peaceful retreat, Karachi's parks and reserves have something for everyone. These green spaces are the lungs of the city, offering a breath of fresh air and a chance to reconnect with nature. So next time you find yourself in Karachi, don't just stick to the usual tourist spots. Take some time to explore these hidden gems and discover the serene side of the city. You'll be surprised at how much tranquility you can find amidst the hustle and bustle. Karachi's parks and reserves are a testament to the city's resilience and its ability to offer solace in the most unexpected places. So go ahead, take a break, and immerse yourself in the natural beauty that Karachi has to offer. Karachi isn't just a city, it's a melting pot of cultures, a place where traditions from all over Pakistan and beyond converge. And this cultural richness is deeply intertwined with its natural landscape. Let's start with the food because, let's be honest, food is life. From the spicy seafood curries of the coastal communities to the aromatic biryani that's a staple across the city, Karachi's cuisine is a testament to its diverse cultural heritage. And where do you find the best food? In the markets, of course. Karachi's markets are a feast for the senses, vibrant, chaotic, and overflowing with fresh produce, spices, and street food. It's in these markets where you truly experience the pulse of the city, the energy, the haggling, the sense of community. But Karachi's cultural tapestry extends beyond food. The city is home to numerous festivals throughout the year, each celebrating a different aspect of its heritage. There's Basant, the kite-flying festival that paints the sky with a riot of colors. There's Holi, the festival of colors that celebrates the arrival of spring. And then there's Eid, a time for family, feasting, and rejoicing. Now let's be real, Karachi faces its share of environmental challenges. Rapid urbanization, pollution, deforestation, these are issues that the city is grappling with. But amidst these challenges, there's a growing movement, a collective effort to make Karachi a greener, more sustainable city. One of the key initiatives is the Green Karachi campaign. This city-wide effort focuses on planting trees, cleaning up parks, and raising awareness about environmental issues. It's about reclaiming public spaces and making Karachi a healthier place to live. And it's not just the government. Citizens are stepping up too. From local communities organizing clean-up drives to individuals adopting trees in their neighborhoods, there's a growing sense of responsibility for the environment. Karachi is also investing in sustainable urban planning. This includes developing green belts, promoting vertical gardens, and improving public transportation to reduce traffic congestion and air pollution. So there you have it, Karachi, a city that defies easy definition. It's a city of contrasts, where bustling urban life coexists with serene landscapes, where ancient traditions meet modern aspirations. It's a city that can feel overwhelming at times, but also exhilarating, full of life, and brimming with the spirit of its people. We hope this journey has given you a new perspective on Karachi, one that goes beyond the headlines and reveals its hidden beauty, its resilience, and its commitment to a greener future. If you enjoyed this exploration of Karachi, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible journeys to cities around the world. Until next time, keep exploring. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Karachi. Despite its bustling urban life, the city offers serene landscapes and a rich cultural experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of beautiful cities around the world.